Hey everyone, welcome back to Grind to Corporate. If you're a student or a fresher looking for a real job and internship opportunity, you're in the right place. Today, I have got two amazing opportunities for you. One internship from HPE and one full-time role from Accenture. So let's get started. HPE is a global technology solution focused on the hybrid cloud server, storage, networking, and enterprise solution. It's a strong brand in the IT infrastructure space. Working here gives you an exposure to the real enterprise level projects. The first opportunity is from Hewlett Packard Enterprises, also known as HPE. They are hiring the college intern role across India. The stipend can go up to 36,000 per month and the internship usually lasts between 6 to 12 months. As an HPE intern, you won't just sit and observe. You will assist in the real project, support testing, prepare documentation, and even join the agile team discussion. It's a proper hands on experience. If you're pursuing or recently completed a tech degree like BE, BTech, or related field, and you have a basic programming knowledge, you are eligible. Strong communication skills are also important. To increase your chances, focus on programming basic, SQL, and some clouding fundamentals like AWS or Azure. But more than technical skills, companies look for problem solving abilities and teamwork. The process is pretty standard. Apply online, resume screening, possibly an online test, technical interview, HR discussion, and then final offer. So prepare your basic well. This internship not only pays you well, but also adds a huge value to your resume. Many interns even get a full-time offers based on the performance. Now, let's move on to the second opportunity. Accenture is hiring the application support engineers in India, and the salary can go up to 18 LPA depending on the experience. Accenture is one of the world's leading consulting and IT service company. They work on cloud, AI, digital transformation and enterprise solution for global clients. As an application support engineer, your job is to monitor the application, solve the user issues, identify the root cause and ensure the system runs smoothly. It's a mix of technical knowledge and the communication skills. If you're planning to apply, focus on SQL queries, OS basics, cloud fundamentals, and understanding how support systems work. Communication skills matter a lot in this role. For freshers, the salary may start around 6 to 10 LPA, and with the experience, it can go up to 18 LPA or even more. It depends on your skill and interview performance. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes and follow all the instruction carefully. And finally, here's the official link. So for HPE, go to the HPE career website and search for the college intern, and for Accenture support engineer, visit the official site from the Accenture. I have also attached the quick link to this in my description below. Go check it out. If this information helped you even a little, don't forget to like, share with your friends, especially those who are still in college or actively job hunting. And follow Grad to Corporate for daily internship and job update. I post verified opportunities regularly to help you move from campus to corporate smoothly. See you in the next opportunity update. Till then, stay tuned and bye.